Before machine learning became mainstream, programmers wrote rules derived from a function of their domain knowledge, observation of some hand-picked instances, and the business requirement to perform a particular task. But this legacy way of delivering business results suffered some evident constraints. Handwritten rules are limited by the knowledge of what edge cases a programmer can cover. This concept is very well explained by one of the most highly cited papers in the world of psychology titled, "The Magical Number 7, plus or minus 2. Some limits on our capacity for processing information." Commonly cited as Miller's Law, the paper describes the limited amount of information an average brain can hold and how it becomes unmanageable with the increasing number of variables and dimensions. Data is dynamic by nature and has become more so over the last decade with the proliferation of technology in our day-to-day lives. The varying data patterns fed to static, pre-written rules are of little help to the business in taking meaningful actions. That is where the pattern mining ability of machine learning algorithms is put to the best use. Let's take an example of a fraud detection case. The programmer would write rules that if the transaction amount is above $10,000, transaction location is X, and it is made from a particular type, that is, wire transfer, then it is flagged as a potentially fraudulent transaction. This could work like a charm for some time until the bad actors find an intelligent way to commit fraud. The conventional hard-coded rules are no more effective in detecting fraud. As their way of operation evolves, our fraud detection system needs to become too. Further, all the software development processes are highly collaborative. What if the developer who wrote the initial rules is no longer associated with the fraud detection project, and the new developer tasked with upgrading the logic has no understanding of the previous system and is skeptical about whether the recent changes will have backward compatibility? To summarize, updating a rule-based system is not only a cumbersome process, but unscalable too. That's where machine learning algorithms come to our rescue. If the metrics are well defined and well aligned with the business objective, it continues to learn from the new training data and evolves into a sophisticated machine learning system.